Hey guys, Megan here with Cottage Quilting. So our Friday special this week is going to be Missouri Star books. We have a lot of volume 6, which is last year's. So we've put all of the books on 25% off and all of her tools 15% off. So if you haven't seen the Missouri Star quilting books, she calls them a magazine, but it's really a book. It's $10 normally, and you get 10 different patterns in it. So I'll flip through the book here so you can kind of see what it is. I keep calling it a book, but she calls it a magazine, I think is what she calls it. So yeah, check out these books if you haven't seen them before. You can subscribe, do a 1-year subscription as well, and every 2 months we'll just give you a call and tell you when your book is in. But right now we've got a bunch on sale. And I'm not going to do a tutorial video because we all know Jenny's the queen and I can't do it any justice. So here's the newest book. This one just arrived in store here today, so it's not on sale. But I'll quickly flip through this. So here's an example of all the things that you can find in here. And it tells you what page, gives you all the descriptions. So there's a whole variety from quilts to runners. A little blurb from Miss Jenny. Make your fabric stash work for you. Here's tips on how to fold everything. So yeah, so I could just, here, I'm going to flip through this real quick so you can kind of see. It's all like picture tutorials of like how to create your stuff. So all of the old books are on, like I said, for 25% off. All of the tools, if you don't have some of our tools, are on for 15% off. So thanks for continuing to support Cottage Quilting.